Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Digicourse. My name is Krishna Priya. So in this video, I'm going to discuss about what is Google Tag Manager and its difference between Google Tag Manager and the Google Analytics and advantages and how to install the Tag Manager and how we can install the tags using this GTM. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is Google Tag Manager actually? What exactly it is? So Google Tag Manager is also known as GTM. It's a shortcut. So it's a it manages all the various tags that present in the website, guys. So through this online tool, like you can deploy and manage various marketing and analytics tags on the website, or if you want, you can also do it on mobile phones. So now let's say observe this picture. If you can observe this picture properly, here there is a website, right? So basically what was the process that we have known till now, right? So the Google Analytics, we have studied about Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Facebook Pixels and all. So we have incorporated the tags, the Facebook Pixel tag or Google Analytics code or Google Search Console code in the website so that these data source platforms can track the details or collect the informations of the website. That's the reason, right? We are capable of seeing the information on Google Analytics or Google Search Console or on Facebook. So when we put the code in the website header sections, this tag will fire and those data will get transferred to this analytics or Facebook or Google Search Console or Google Ads so that we can view the performance of the website. That was the process we have known till now. So now what happens if there are a bunch of tags, right? We just didn't had only one tag. So we have various tags that has been incorporated in the websites. So what happens if you have bunch of tags or various tags that leads you a website speed very low. So if you have more tags, what happens, So due to this bunch of codes, bunch of HTML tags that present in your website backends, so it leads to the website performance very low, very slow, and your website loads very slow. So to overcome few issues, we use this Google Tag Manager as a medium between the website and data source platforms like Google Analytics, Google Ads, or Google Search Console, or many other tools like Facebook Pixel and all. So what this Google Tag Manager acts like? It acts like a medium. So when website connects with a Google Tag Manager, remaining all the data source, whatever the data source platforms that you wish to connect with the website, you don't have to directly connect with that website. If you could just connect with the Google Tag Manager, so directly those can be connected with the websites. Okay, so all these codes will not be present in the website now. So all these tags, these HTML tags can be managed by a Google Tag Manager instead of directly managed by the website. Now there is no burden for the website. So there are no heavy tags in the websites. Everything has been managed by a Google Tag Manager. So that is why the name, the Google Tag Manager, we call it as a tag manager tool. So it manages various tags, guys. There are many benefits for using this Google Tag Manager. This Google Tag Manager removes the need for editing the website code over and over again. So, and it also, by using GTM, you can improve your website speed, guys. GTM makes tag management very efficient. So you don't have to now, if you directly paste the tag in the website, so you can't trigger like when you want the tag to be fired exactly, you can't just tell the website like that. Whereas if you could use this tag manager, so this medium will make the tag work effectively, and this GTM makes advanced analytics tracking possible. So you can always test and deploy tags very fast, guys. So of course, yes, there are very great advantages with the Google Tag Manager you can use. Okay, so this is what Google Tag Manager. Now let us see the difference between GTM and the GA4 guys. Yeah, many people think that GTM or Google Tag Manager and GA4 are same. So but no, yet no. Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager are not really the one or not the same thing guys. They works different actually. So I'll write down the difference if you could notice here. So GTM and let me GA4. So GTM is like, it's a management tool, tag management. So here it just only manage the tag guys, whereas GA4 in the previous session we have seen what all the things we can do in the GA4. So we can analyze the things, right? So we can see tracking, we can track the conversions, we can see how many people have purchased, how many people didn't purchase, what is their age group, gender. So all this tracking can be done with the help of GA4, not GTM. So what this GTM will do is it will help you route the information. So GTM is primarily used to route data from one data source to another. If you can see, now GTM is it. GTM have connected with the website. Now Google Analytics and other platforms will be connected with the GTM. Now what this GTM will do? GTM will route the information, route the data from website to the Google Analytics. Now this website is one data source and Google Analytics is one data source, where this website's data has been transferred to the Google Analytics. So this is done by a Google Tag Manager. So we can't track or we can't see the reports directly in the Google Tag Manager guys. So it will just help to transfer the information from one website to the or from one data source to the another, like from your website to the analytics or from your website to the Google Ads or website to the Facebook. It is not data source itself. Okay, so whereas this Google Analytics or Google Ads are data source itself. They track, they collect the informations. Got it? Yes or no? Right. So this is the main difference guys. Please do not consider like those are seen. So it will not show you any reports, but it will show you the reports. Google Analytics will show you the reports. That's it. This is the main difference. So don't think that as we are connecting the websites now we can track the things. No. So it just manage the tags. That's it. It will not give you any trackings at all. Okay. So the next thing is account structure. So account structure of Google Tag Manager. So we'll see now how the structure of the Google Tag Manager. When you understand the structure, then you can easily work on the GTM. So if you can see this diagram, first thing is that Google account. So you have to create an account with your Gmail ID. So under that account, you can create a GTM accounts. This account 1 and account 2 and account 3 are there, right? These are the GTM accounts. So you have to create an account in GTM. Then under account, the next levels are containers. Containers are simply like the websites or simply the platform that you would like to connect with the GTM websites or app or server, what you want to connect with the GTM exactly. So that you will be connecting as a container. So under one Gmail account you can have multiple accounts guys. Under one account you can have multiple containers. That means you can, with one account you can connect multiple websites or multiple applications. So under one container you can have, like again you have this tags and triggers and variables. Okay, so I'll talk about the tags and triggers and variables in further level. Okay, so this is how the structure of Google Tag Manager looks like. Google account, then next your GTM account, then next level is container. Under container, tags, the next triggers and variables. Okay, so this is how simple the account structure of GTM looks like. So now we'll get into the next section, next thing called installation of GTM. So if you know the proper account structure, then it is very easy. So now open tagmanager.google.com. So then here you can see, as I have already few accounts with the tag manager, so now I'll show you how to create. So this is with my Gmail ID. Can you see, with this Gmail ID I have two accounts existed already. So now I'm going to create one more new account. So click this and then give name something like the I'm just giving something, and then give the country, choose your country, and then here comes the website, guys. You have to give your website name. I'm gonna give like this, and choose the platform which you want to connect with the tag manager. So I'm gonna choose the website. You have, if you want, you can also connect your iOS app and Android app or AMP accelerated mobile pages or server. So I'll create it now, and there you go. Click on I accept, yes. So now what you just have to do is you can just install the Google Tag Manager. Here you have a two tags available. Can you see here? So one tag we have to paste it in the head sections, and one more tag you have to paste it in the body sections of the website. So yeah, I think you know already how to paste the code in the header sections or body sections in the website. So if you are using WordPress website, it's very easy to connect. So you can use the plugins. So now I'll go and I'll use the plugin called Google Tag Manager plugin. So here comes, you have settings option, click this, and here you have to just enter your Google Tag Manager ID. So go back to your Google Tag Manager, and here you can get into this admin panel, and there you can see your container GTA IAM number. So this is the container ID. You just copy it and come back to your website and put it here. So now make sure it is turned on, and then save changes. So now I have pasted the code, or else I just connected. Let's go back, and if you want to see whether we have successfully connected our website with the tag manager or not, you have various steps to confirm that. Just click on this preview option once. So once you click on preview, so here it will ask you to enter your website URL that you just have connected with. So I'll take this website URL and could put it here and connect it. So now it will directly take you to this website, and can you see here, tag assistant connected. Yeah, can you see this? Connected. So if it is showing you connected like this, now we have successfully connected our website with the GTM. So you can see these are all the summary of the website, like what all the things that gets triggered in our website and all. Now let's go back. This is how the home page of GTM looks like now. Now I will show you the components. So what are the various components and what are the uses of those components? I told you, right, under account we have a container, and we have just created the container in the form of website. So now let's see what is this tags, triggers and variables. Tags, triggers and variables. So tags are nothing but the data collection platforms. Now Google Analytics is there. It is one tag. Google Ads remarketing is there. It is one tag. Facebook Pixel is there. It is one tag. LinkedIn Insight tag is there. Those are tags, guys. So tags means the data sources or collection platforms codes we are just putting in the websites. That's it. And triggers means I am going to tell to the tags that when you have to trigger, when you have to fire the tags. So now let's say, for example, I have connected with the Google Analytics using this tags option with the Google Tag Manager. Now I can create this triggers, and I can say that okay, you have to fire this tag when someone view this page. You have to fire this tag when someone download something. You have to fire this tags when someone viewed the video. So when you want that tag to be fired in your website, that you can that you can create in the form of triggers. So the next variables are nothing but if you want the triggers to be performed this way, you need to use these variables. So variables are used to perform the triggers. So we can use these variables, and variables can be used in both tags and triggers, guys. You can use in tags and you can also use in triggers. So now let's say if I use Google Analytics. So I have to use variable that is Google Analytics ID. That means I am giving this variable so that triggers will activate that, and trigger will show that hey, you have to fire this cookies. Trigger will talk to tag that hey, you have to fire this when someone view this page and all. So there you go. You can see here left hand side tags, triggers and variables. And these folders are nothing but we categorize the different tags. Now let's say I have Google Analytics and I have Google Analytics 4. So I can show them into one folder. It is simply like categorizing the tags. That's it. Okay. So yes, now let us see. I have shown you how to install the GTM, and I have also shown you the main parameters of the GTM, that is tags, triggers and variables. So now let us see how exactly we can work on this GTM. So as I told you, it manages each and every tag. No? So I'll show you connecting few tags now with the help of GTM. So it would be very easier in future if you want to connect with any. So first of all, click this tag. See, can you see? I have already few tags added. So for my Digicourse, I have added Facebook Pixel. I have added Google Universal Analytics. So now I want to add few more tags. So let me click new and give name for this. So I would like to connect GA4 now. So give name for your tag, and then can you see tag configuration? So click anywhere here, edit, and there you go. You have to choose the tag type. I already told you, right? You can connect any tag. So can you see here? These are all the featured tags that are available with GTM. See, you have GA4, conversion tracking, Google Ads remarketing you have, and you also have see Google Analytics, LinkedIn Insight tag you have, and Pinterest tag also you have, Quora Pixels also you have, right? So many things. So now let's say if you feel like the platform that you want to connect is not appearing over here, so at that time you can simply choose this custom HTML and you can simply paste the tag over here if you don't find that option. Okay now. So as of now, I'll go and choose GA4. Okay, and can you see here measurement ID? So I think you know what is measurement ID. Yesterday in the Google Analytics we have seen. So for every account, Google Analytics GA4, so there will be measurement ID. So go to your Google Analytics and go to your admin panel, and here go to your data streams. Yeah, so click this, and here can you see your measurement ID? Copy your measurement ID and come back and put it here, right? So this is the measurement ID, and can you see here trigger? So now I am going to give trigger when this tag has to fire. Can you see? Choose a trigger to make this tag fire. So you have many triggers, guys. Can you see? So all page views, if you want to fire this tag when you get views and all, so you can. So earlier I have created lead trigger. Lead trigger means it's event when someone filled the form and all. If you don't want any of these triggers, you can click this plus icon and you can configure your own tags triggers here. See, when window loaded, that means when someone opens the website and that loads, and if you want to trigger that tag, that fire the tag, then you choose this. And if someone click on something like in your website, when someone click on button, so if you want to fire the tag, then choose this. Simply when you want to trigger your tag, simple. So when someone submitted the form, when someone scrolled deep, or when someone watched your YouTube video on the website, so when you want to simplify the tag, see. So I'll simply go back and choose this page views, okay, and simply save this. That's it. Can you see? So now I have added. Now let's say you can also activate this. Click this and then click on submit. Once you click on submit, here you have two options, publish and create version and just create version. Now I have successfully connected, right? So I don't have to choose create version, just simply publish it. And give the description. If you want, you can give or you can skip it. So I'll just give something like GA4 and continue. Right. So you can see here in the version. So if you can see here versions, then you have successfully connected your website. See now, GA4. I have connected the tag. Can you see? This is the variable. Here itself it will show you what is this, the version name. Now Google GA4 it was tag. LinkedIn Insight it was tag. LinkedIn tag it was tag. And whereas I have earlier created variables. These are variables, right? Yes. So this is how you connect with the tags, guys. Now I have connected with the GA4. Likewise, you can connect with anything. So let's say for suppose you want to connect with the Facebook pixel. So shall we see how to connect with the Facebook pixel, guys? Yeah. So now
Yes.
simply go to tags and then click this new, and then as I have already connected Facebook pixel, I'll just show you the process. And find out, do you have Facebook pixel option? Just search for the tag Facebook. So do you have, guys, Facebook? No.
No.
Yes.
Where it is?
No.
No, it is not there. So at the time what you can do, what I told you, yes,
Custom.
simply
Custom.
choose the custom HTML and you have a Facebook pixel tag. Now copy here, okay, copy there and paste it here, okay, now, and then simply save it and choose the trigger. So when you want this Facebook pixel tag to be fired, when someone fill the form or when someone watch the YouTube video like that, okay. Yeah, got it.